Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use Reminder in ClickUp. And if you want to do this, we click right here on the ClickUp website and then from here we can select login. Then he will send us right here to this page and then right here you will find your workspaces. But let's say we want to put a reminder on a task. So let's do, for example, right here, video creating. Then we go right here to the three dots right there and we click on the three dots and then we select right here, remind me in inbox. Then right now we can click right here on a reminder. So let's do in 2 hours. And then if you can see right here, reminder set for 2 hours from now. And then if you click right here on the view, he will send you right here to the reminder. So if you go back right here to our project, you can set more reminders on the task right here by clicking on the three dots and fill in right here your reminder. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. This is how you can use reminders in ClickUp. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.